Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk to you about Flip Fluid, a paid add-on which is an incredible tool to create beach wave with amazing details. But what if you try to create a beach scene without any add-on using only Blender mentaflow? That's what I am going to show you on this tutorial. So first I add a plane, then I add a loop cuts using Ctrl R. Then I selected the right edge and enable proportional editing to curve the plane. Select all faces and extrude them over the Z-axis, and also resize them over the Z-axis to obtain a flat form, and this is gonna be our sand floor. Now duplicate the object and only use the top faces. Extrude the faces over the Z-axis and resize them to obtain the desirable form, which gonna be our water emitter. Now add a cube and scale it up to cover both the geometry. To avoid getting Blender crashes, select the upper face and scale it up over the Z-axis. Select the cube, go to Physics tab, then enable Fluids. Change type to Domain and Gas to Liquid. On the Cache section, change type to All and make sure to choose the right resolution. For my case, I used a resolution of 256 and 188. And you can see the difference between them. However, the resolution gonna depends on your PC configuration. Select the water emitter and do the same things, but select flow as type and geometry as a flow behavior. For the sand, select effector as a fluid type and in check is planar. Select the domain again and check mesh and enable spray on particle settings. Let's jump to the wave generator. Add the cube, scale it, then select the upper face and use Ctrl B to create a bevel. With the mouse roulette, add a loop cuts. Select frame 0 and add the location of the wave generator. Then move the cursor to the frame 30, add another keyframe location. Copy the first frame and paste it on the frame 60. Click Ctrl and A and choose Make it Cyclic. Select our sand and insert those settings. Select our wave generator and make it as effector type with these settings. Select the emitter and the sand, enter edit mode and click Shift N to recalculate the normals to make sure that our simulation works fine. For the adding material, I used the blenderkit, which is a great add-on for Blender. If you wanna use it, you can find the link on the description. For the scene light, I used the sky texture and changed the intensity. And I also increased the air and the dust to give it a sunset look. I used the blenderkit to set the sand material directly, then I played with geonodes to obtain different sand materials. For the foam particle, I add an icosphere, decrease the subdivision to 1, then give it a transparent material using a combination of diffusion BSDF and transparent BSDF. After that, go to the particle tab and of the domain, select the spray and insert the icosphere on the render tab. also used blenderkit for the water, then do a quick bake with the low resolution. Once I set my color, I rebaked the water with a higher resolution. Et voila, the final results.